Good afternoon, fourth graders. This is the grammar lesson for Wednesday, April 22nd and Thursday, April 23rd. It is on page 186 and 187 in your grammar books, and it is section 5.9 titled Titles. Titled Titles. All right, so let's get right to it because we know we are limited on time. We've done this before. When you have an official um, title of something, it could either be a name of a team, a name of a city, a name of a state. It could be the name of a state park. We have to capitalize the important words. Well, today's lesson is going to move forward with that skill, and it's going to explain why we do what we do, because everything is a title. The name of a team is a title. The name of a city is a title. The name of a state is a title. This is going to focus on more like this lesson today. You're going to see stuff focus on like the name of books, name of movies, stuff like that. So this will explain more about why we capitalize certain words in a title and some of them we don't. All right, so let's get right to it. All right, so 5.9 titles, page 188, 186 and 187. I might have said that wrong. All right, when you write the title of a book, a magazine, or a newspaper, you capitalize the first, last, and each important word. All right. Now, for words that are in the middle of a title, specifically these few: in, of, to, a, and only. When you get them in the middle of the sentence, the middle of the title, you do not capitalize those words. Those are more like prepositions, linking words. We're not going to do that. Now, in some cases, you will capitalize these few words, but it has to be either the first or last word in the title. That's the only way that you would capitalize these words. Trying to think, there could be a book called In the Room. In's the first word, so it would be capitalized because it's important. So let's go right to an example. We have one right here. Tracks in the Wild. This could be an adventure book. Tracks in the Wild. Now, the words that we would capitalize in this title would be the T in tracks and the W in wild. Of course, in and the is they're like linking words that we're not going to use. So I do not have it up there. I'm going to add it. The is one of those words. So we only do the first and last. Those ones in the middle do not. Now, I'll give you an example. Let's say harbor, town, post. You're going to find out that's one of our examples. All these words, they're not any of these linking words. So all three of these words would be capitalized. Okay? It's only when you see these few words, more like preposition words, that you have to, you don't capitalize them. So, all right. So on page 186 in your grammar book, the top of the page will explain what I talked about today at the top, but then it'll give you an example of what to do. Then you have 16 examples on page 186. I want you to do that for Wednesday the 22nd. And then on Wednesday or Thursday the 23rd, I want you to do 17 to 24 on your own. And then for homework on the 23rd, I want you to do Workbook Plus, page 92. And here comes the alert. There it is. Page 92 in your Workbook Plus. If you have any questions, you can email me, contact me, and I will get back to you if you need any help with this. Again, this is kind of a review of what we did. It seems like it was forever ago because this is one of the last things that we physically worked on when we were in school in March. So it was almost, think about it, It's close to being almost 2 months